Are you trying to decide between OpenWrt and pfSense? You are not alone. Both are popular choices for managing network devices, but they serve different needs. In this video, we'll compare OpenWrt and pfSense. We'll look at what they both do, how they differ, and which one might be right for you. OpenWrt is an open source firmware for routers. It allows users to customize their devices. You can install different packages and tweak settings to fit your needs. It's great for home users and tech enthusiasts who want more control over their network. On the other hand, pfSense is a powerful firewall and router software. It's designed for more advanced users and businesses. pfSense offers robust security features and can handle complex network setups. It's ideal for users who need a more secure and customizable solution. Now, let's talk about the key differences. OpenWrt is more focused on routers and wireless devices. It's lightweight and user friendly. pfSense, however, is geared toward network security and management. It's more feature rich but also more complex to set up. When it comes to features, OpenWrt offers a wide range of plugins and customization options. You can easily manage Wi-Fi, bandwidth, and more. pfSense provides advanced firewall rules, VPN support, and traffic shaping. It's built for performance and security. In terms of pricing, OpenWTR is free to use. You just need a compatible router. pfSense has a free version, but advanced features come with a paid subscription. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, customizable router for home use, go with OpenWrt. If you need a powerful firewall for a business or complex network, pfSense is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.